Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and storage so nothing interrupts capture. First, charge or connect AC and insert a formatted SD card. This prevents write errors. Next, mount the microphone and orient it toward the sound source. Placement matters for tonal balance. Once done, disable any unnecessary pads or attenuators so you have full gain range. Make sure the input is set to the correct capsule or line input. This gets you into the recorder's main menu and ready to set levels. You now configure quality and levels so your files are usable. Pick 48K HZ at 24-bit and WAV format for reliable post-production. Then, while monitoring headphones, raise preamp gain until loud passages peak near -12 dBFS. This preserves headroom. If sources vary, engage the limiter to prevent clipping, but don't rely on it exclusively. Once levels are set, choose stereo or discrete channels and enable low cut if you have rumble. These steps ensure you begin recording with a short count-in and watch meters the whole time. Adjust headphone mix so you hear what matters. When you stop, label the take and confirm the file wrote successfully, then copy to a secondary drive or cloud as a backup. Power down only after file writes complete to avoid corruption. If you get no signal, verify the correct input and that phantom power matches mic needs. If clipping occurs, lower gain or engage the 10 dB pad. This is the primary troubleshooting tactic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.